In this video, you'll learn how to add a cookie pop-up on your WordPress website using the Cookie Yes plugin. This process will enhance your site's compliance with data protection regulations by informing users about cookie usage. Begin by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. You can do this by entering your website's URL followed by /wp-admin in your browser's address bar. Once you reach the dashboard, ensure you are logged in with an account that has administrative privileges. Next, locate the menu on the left side of the screen and click on the option labeled Plugins. This section allows you to manage all the plugins installed on your site. After clicking, you will see a list of your current plugins along with options to add new ones. To find the Cookie Yes plugin, use the search bar located at the top right of the plugins page. Type in Cookie Yes and press enter. After a brief moment, you should see the plugin appear in the search results. It is important to verify that the plugin is from a reputable source by checking the details provided. Once you find the Cookie Yes plugin, click the button that says Install Now. The installation process will take a few moments. After installation, the button will change to Activate. Click on this button to enable the plugin on your site. Once activated, you will see a confirmation message indicating that the plugin has been successfully activated. Now, look for the new menu item labeled Cookie Yes in the left sidebar of the dashboard. Click on it, and this will take you to the Cookie Yes dashboard. Here, you'll find options to configure the cookie consent settings for your website. To begin the setup process, click on the button that says Start Setup. This will guide you through the configuration steps. You will be prompted to choose your consent style, which typically includes options for accept and reject buttons. Select the style that best fits your website's design and user experience. After making your selection, click the Save button to apply your changes. This step is crucial as it ensures that your cookie pop-up is configured correctly. You might see a notification confirming that your settings have been saved successfully. It is recommended to check your site to ensure the cookie pop-up appears as expected. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.